Bharat ki mafam gaya pangthok na bagum ngasi Manipur University ki Department of Physics na sinduna National Space Day ki thoram University asigi court holder pangthokkhre University asigi Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra Department of Physics ki head oiriba Professor Angom Dilip Kumar amadi University asigi khwaidagi senior oiriba Professor K Yugendra na Chief Guest President amadi Guest of Honor oiduna pangthokkiba thoram aduka mari lenana VC Professor Lokendra na phungdurapada Haukiba chahi ge August hagi kunhumdoida Bharat ki ahumrak shuba oina Chandrayaan 3 haina mingthonba spaceship na thagi kha thangba lamaida mai pakna takhibada harau tayamba phongdokpaga loinana Bharat ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi na numit asibu National Space Day haina palan tawragani haina lauthokhibagi matung inangase Bharat ki mafam kyada thoram asi pangthokle mahakna makha taraduna hai hauzik oirakliba science and technology amadi space research ki lamda honglakliba ahongba asida hena khumang chawshin bangamnaba ahenba meeting changba amadi hena kanna honaba tangai fade space research amadi space technology asina hena chawkhaliba makhai communication technology su chawkhalakani masina lamdam asigi economic growth su yamna chawna mateng oigani haiba wafam sing su thamke loshilakpada tha asigi haukiba tarik 19 da university asigi physics department asinduna pangthokiba state level inter universities poster composition cum exhibition da makong mathang tarakraba mahiroisingda manamathum su yenthoki
syllabus and curriculum for the CBCS course in GIS. We have already framed it, but because of some reason or the other, this syllabus has not come up to the level of academic council. We are interested that each and every student in Manipur University, irrespective of whether they are from the School of Physical and Mathematical Sciences or Environmental Sciences or even in Humanities and Social Sciences, now without GIS technology and the GIS information, any kind of research work, even in social sciences, they are not taken very seriously by, say, good journals. Each and every student in our university should also be properly educated in the study of GIS information system. And this, I would like to appeal to all our colleagues who are present here to take initiative on this, and we should see to it that the CBCS course on GIS study should be popularized in our university.